Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! We all know that sinking feeling when a warning light pops up on your dashboard. It's like your car is trying to tell you something's wrong, but it's speaking in a secret code. Well, today, we're going to crack the code together and tackle one common issue that often leaves drivers scratching their heads: the P0221 trouble code. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. With a little bit of knowledge and some basic tools, you can diagnose and even fix this problem yourself. In this essay, we'll break down everything you need to know about the P0221 code, from what it means to how to get your car back on the road running smoothly. So buckle up, grab your wrenches, and let's dive into the world of car repair. Now let's get down to business and decipher what the P0221 code actually means. In simple terms, this code indicates a problem with your car's throttle position sensor, often shortened to TPS. Think of the TPS as a messenger between your car's engine and its computer, the engine control module, or ECM. The TPS measures how far you're pressing down on the gas pedal and sends that information to the ECM. The ECM, in turn, uses this data to adjust the air and fuel mixture entering the engine, ensuring optimal performance. When the P0221 code pops up, it means the ECM is receiving an incorrect signal from the TPS. This could be due to a faulty sensor itself, damaged wiring, or a problem with the connection between the TPS and the ECM. You might be wondering, why is the throttle position sensor so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in your car's overall performance and drivability. As we mentioned earlier, the TPS tells the ECM how much air and fuel to send to the engine based on your throttle input. This directly affects your car's acceleration, fuel efficiency, and even its emissions. A properly functioning TPS ensures that your engine receives the right amount of air and fuel at the right time, resulting in smooth acceleration, optimal fuel economy, and reduced emissions. On the other hand, a faulty TPS can lead to a whole host of problems. Now that we understand the importance of the throttle position sensor, let's talk about the telltale signs that yours might be on the fritz. If you're experiencing any of the following symptoms, it's a good indication that your TPS could be the culprit. First, the check engine light. This one's a no-brainer. When the P0221 code is triggered, your check engine light will illuminate, signaling a problem somewhere in the system. Second, poor acceleration. A faulty TPS can cause hesitation or sluggishness when you press the gas pedal, making your car feel underpowered. Third, erratic idling. Does your engine rev up and down unpredictably while idling? This could be a sign of a TPS sending incorrect signals to the ECM. Fourth, stalling. In some cases, a severely malfunctioning TPS can cause your engine to stall unexpectedly, especially when idling or coming to a stop. And finally, reduced fuel economy. Since a faulty TPS can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, you might notice a drop in your car's fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage to your engine and ensure your safety on the road.